having Manning Gorge just for ourselves and in the middle of the peak season. It doesn't come easy, but I can guarantee you it's worth it. So put your backpack on and come spend the days with us. And it starts at 5:30 a.m.
Hey, I'm Beck.
I'm Astrid,
And you are watching Free Roam Chicks.
driving from Australia to Alaska.
A 10 years trip we started back in January 25.
You can also find us on Instagram.
Subscribe and join us in our adventure.
Okay, to start at 5:30 a.m., you need to get yourself sorted. So let me take you first to yesterday at Mount Barnett Roadhouse. This is where you will find everything you need to get your little adventure organized. Mount Barnett Roadhouse is the second fuel stop coming from Derby, and it's bigger than the previous one. You will find souvenirs and essential supplies. Due to its remote location, any product is very expensive, so make sure to prep your trip with enough food. We personally shot for 3 weeks, so we didn't have to buy anything. Only thing we had to organize was the permit to access the gorge. So Beck went to talk to that lady.
I was wondering about Manning Gorge, because we have to buy a pass.
Day pass?
A day pass. Can I buy it today for tomorrow?
No, you have to come in tomorrow morning.
Okay. How much is it for the pass?
$10 a head.
Okay, sweet. I'll chat with my partner and work it out. Thank you. But yeah, we can't start the hike before 8. So here opens at 8 and you have to buy the pass per day. So if we want to hike today, we buy the pass today. If we want to hike tomorrow, we have to come here at 8 and buy the pass. Yeah.
We were slightly confused here. Does it mean that we cannot do a sunrise hike? But turns out, we just misunderstood. The solution to do a sunrise hike was to stay here overnight.
So we just popped into the roadhouse, had a chat. We got the one night. It works from here just, the roadhouse has service. So from here we go through a gate and head to the campground, which is right on the river, which they said is really, really beautiful. And we opted for camping overnight, then we can leave early tomorrow for a hike, because otherwise you have to wait till 8 a.m. to buy your pass, then go do your hike. And we'd like to get started early so that we have the most time in the gorge and the most time by ourselves as well. So.
For those who wonder, there's a strict no drone policy on this property.
We asked about taking the drone. So we saw on the little flyer they give you, it says no drone. We did ask if we could buy a permit to use the drone. They said no, because it's Aboriginal land, no drones. So the drone does not come with us tomorrow. It's just us.
Tomorrow has come. It is 5:30. The alarm rang. Ready? Not sure. But we are up.
Yeah, it's that cold. I don't even... To be able to make steam and then go for a swim. Crazy. I need a puffer.
We're about to go soon. We're making a hot chocolate to give us courage. Just here. The hot chocolate making.
Yummy stuff.
Yeah. And yeah, then we're gonna get the car, go to the car park, peel off our clothes. Oh god. Swim across the river. Oh gosh, the bag's under my eyes. I look so tired. Well, that swim is about to wake me up. I'm swimming across the water, and as you can see, there's people behind. They were like, oh my god, good luck. Some camper having their coffee saw us going to the river, so they followed us for morning entertainment.
Yeah, the plan was to take our clothes off, put our swimmers on, because we just have normal like bra and underwear underneath and swim across. But now there's a crowd behind us, so...
What are you gonna have to watch?
Yeah, basically.
And the backpack and everything is on a blue barrel that helps you carry all your stuff on the other side, which is really clever. Okay, oh, hang on, I made it.
Okay, now it's back turn. And watch closely. Look at the audience. Leaving, now that the spectacle is over.
Everyone is gone. You're leaving.
The show's over. They're like, the mad girls have crossed the water. That's a cool way to start the day.
I think it is. Yeah, floaty. Yeah, now we can like put some warm clothes again. And you know what? It means we can have
A snack?
yeah. And what is it?
Peanut butter crackers.
Yes. I had good fun.
Same. That was cool. I liked it. I thought it'd be colder. I was colder when I woke up.
Yeah,
A belly full of hot chocolate helps.
that is true. You know what is great? To have a snack. That is the best reward.
We're basically dogs. We'll do tricks for treats.
In another news, I forgot my son is in the morning rush. So I'm in for a headache later today. But it's okay. It'll be worth it. You know what's funny is the dude said he's sick of going rescuing people who got lost. It is the walk that we've done with the most markers.
Yeah.
I am very surprised that people get lost here. Like you must want to piss him off.
Yeah.
I'd be like, oh, oopsie, we got lost. Because that's, come on.
Yeah.
The walk is fairly easy and very well marked. After 35 minutes swimming and walking, we were almost there.
How long has it been?
35 minutes.
Oh, we should be pretty close.
Yeah, I think we're close. I can check on our
According to Old Trail, we have 900 meters left.
Easy peasy.
lemon squeezy.
You hear it?
Yeah.
The waterfall.
We're getting close. Oh yeah, we get breakfast after our swim.
Oh god, we didn't pack the salt.
It'll be not as desirable as normal.
So it's just wrapped rice and chicken.
Yeah.
But I was about to forget instantly about the tasteless wrap.
Oh, that is so cool, beautiful. Yeah, that is really nice. Oh my god. Yes. And we have it for ourselves.
Yeah.
Well, it is 7 a.m. and we have a short window to enjoy Manning Gorge by ourselves. We have a breakfast that is waiting for us, so let's head to the base of the waterfall. Turns out the wrap wasn't bad, so we enjoyed the peace for a little while until the first people arrived.
It's like 8 a.m. is the time, so first people are starting to arrive. I don't know if we can see it, where they are, I don't know, but they're just there, just arrived. So 8 a.m. If you want to see Manning Gorge by yourself, arrive prior 8 a.m. Seems like to be the thing, so yeah. Let's keep on going.
And it starts with taking our pants off. With our pants back on, it was now time to tackle the rest of our little journey, climbing up the waterfall to access the river above.
We're hoping that we can go up there, and we're hoping to be able to follow the river and see what it is behind it.
So, what is behind it?
Climbed up the main part of the waterfall and still got to see the river on the other side, so this is pretty damn cool.
We just saw we think it's a croc, like a baby croc, but he like jumped and went in the water. We just saw the tail. So now we're keeping our voice down and trying to be discreet, so hopefully we see like a little croc having a sunbath.
Flicked in the face, lovely. Is a little climbing through the jungle in order to get to it to open back up. It's now walking back along the cliffs, and we're still on the lookout. You can see behind me crocs. Clearly I'm the not so quiet one. But yeah, the train seems to go like up and over, through a bit of jungle, but the whole time we get to follow the gorge. Now we got above the waterfall, so I'm enjoying this.
Oh, we missed it just by a few seconds. It was just there, on that rock. And so we decided to wait for him to pop back up. 30 minutes. An hour. way too long. I fell asleep. Well, I guess I'm not gonna cut it to be a wildlife photographer. So I bailed.
Well,
No croc.
no, we give up.
It's been an hour and a half now.
Yeah,
I fell asleep. I'll be honest.
I went for a walk.
Maybe I missed it because I snowed. Probably snowed. But no, he didn't go back on the rock.
No. But yeah, done. Croc is gonna go unseen and time for a swim.
Yeah.
Hehehehe